Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we use HLOOKUP in Excel. To use HLOOKUP in Excel, first of all we will take one row ID. We will take 8653 8653 and we will calculate the revenue of 8653 by using HLOOKUP. HLOOKUP stands for horizontal lookup equal to H L double lookup tab lookup value is 8653 comma table array. I'll select the table like this. I will Fn F4 comma row index number. Revenue is in 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 comma lookup range. I will select false for exact match. I'll press enter. You can see now 8653 revenue is 2.368 and we will calculate the profit also equal to H lookup tab lookup value this comma table array. I will select the table like this Fn F4 comma row index number. I want to calculate the profit 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 comma exact match false. See, you can see here 0.8288. If I change the value of row ID here like 4270, see the value is changed now here. As you can see here, the revenue is 2.688 and the profit is 1.008. If I change the value to 7582 here like this, like here you can see 7582, so the value is changed. Here you can see 502.488 and minus 87.9354. So this is the way you can use HLOOKUP in Excel. I hope you find this video useful. So take care. Bye bye.